Glitter black, hang on. Oh gosh.
Five million views later, and it still gets me. That puppy really thinks he is A.
Oh, he's not happy.
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
The regret on that face Thor knows.
You like your new tie? It makes you look very handsome.
It's okay. I know I know.
Waggy! Stop!
This cannot be real life, he looks.
What's wrong, buddy? Look at me. What's wrong with your eye? Come on. You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside and play? Oh, now you're fine. Oh, now you're hurt again. Oh, no.
Hey, Fatso! Want some kitty cat treats? Yeah, I fucking knew your fat ass would.
Happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that happy. Oh, the happy dog.
Glitter black.
Not me watching this 12 times too.
Oh gosh.
I told you it was a little kitty. I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep it?
That's right.
The confidence. Unreal. Watch him completely wipe out in the snow. No way this actually happened, she tried giving him
Let me in. Marshmallow. Get you a big one.
My jaw literally hit the floor when this box monster. Did they know we were all going to see this?
Hey,
This cat is.
what you got going on in there, man?
Living rent-free in my head forever is this delivery guy.
Are you embarrassed? Come on, buddy. Okay.
The audacity. The absolute audacity.
What are you doing?
Happy pumpkin blueberry.
Don't try it.
Oh, Michael! Ah!
My name is Bo, and I'm studying to be a attorney. My name's Cody, and I'm training to be in the Feline Bureau of Investigation.
I'm Daniel, and I make hairball art.
Did you catch that? Rewind it. This kitten just fell into.
Okay, ow.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
So here is what happened, and I need you to stay calm, please.
Will there be 6 more weeks of winter?
Yes.
The Wonky has spoken. Sorry about it.
This is why I have trust issues with Clumsy.
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Stop! Stop! Okay.
If you're hungry.
How did nobody stop this adorable kitten from screaming?
You don't belong in there.
Sir, that is not how gravity works. Nobody asked for this. Nobody needed this. We love it.
Ouch!
This cannot be real life. He is creeping right out. And this is why the internet exists. That cat completely. That tale tells the whole story honestly. Festive outfit, but total panic mode. Where is he even? And this is why the internet exists. That cat aggressively demanded a forehead.